Hey guys, it's Jake with Hostetler Roofing. I'm here on a roof here in Broken Bow, Oklahoma with our production manager, Michael Olson. Michael, how you doing today, man?
Pretty good.
Awesome. So Michael's our production manager, but he also does some sales for us. Michael actually is the one who sold this roof and the two others here on the same block. It's 3 rental properties all right here together. Michael talked to the homeowner. The homeowner had this rental property, it had some bad leaks, the roof was in pretty bad shape. Michael was able to get him set up with 3 metal roofs, and so that's what we're here today. We're on the first one. We're doing tear off. Man, this roof is looking a little worse for wear. What can you tell us about what's going on here with some of this damaged decking?
Yeah, I mean, this transition right here, there's obviously some spray foam here. They've tried to patch a leak for years, and you can see they've actually had 2 layers of shingle in this area. You take that layer off, the other layer, flashing, there's duct tape, there's all kinds of weird stuff that was trying to make the leak stop. This rafter here is kind of obliterated. You're gonna have to replace that.
You're talking about this rafter right here?
Yeah, you're not gonna be able to nail into anything like that. And this sidewall here is all rotted, you know, so it's just that cheap L flashing with no kicker, so it's just,
and water's just running in.
Running
you know,
in.
Sometimes what we see is we see some contractors trying to cut some corners, and you know, they may like leave some of this damaged decking on and just nail right into it. It's something that we call a non-nailable surface. So what kind of sets us at Hostetler apart from the other guys when it comes to doing this type of roofing project?
Yeah, I mean, in a lot of our competition, they won't remove the old paper felt. So we need to remove everything. We need to see what's actually going on. There's going to be little stuff that's buckled and twisted. I mean, it's not really good for the home just to leave that kind of stuff. I mean, it's an old roof. So we're just going to have to fix what we can, and that way we can put our new synthetic felt down. And
so we're going to come through here, and obviously we're going to replace any of this missing or damaged decking.
Yeah.
Any of the rafters that are busted and won't support weight, we're going to take care of that too. And then you said something here that they had some improper flashing along the sidewall.
Yeah.
And so what are we going to go back with right there?
Well, right here we're going to actually, from Reed's Metals, we got some 26 gauge sidewall flashing, and that'll go on top of our metal, and we'll have a counter flashing over the top, and it'll be 100% secure. And
so that's just going to keep any rain that kind of comes down this slope and goes into that wall. It'll keep it from seeping into the roof and into the home.
Right.
Yeah. And then you know, we took off all the old tar paper just so we can get a good understanding of how this decking is. What all components are going to go back to making this a solid roof here the next day? So
the homeowner, he wants our synthetic felt along with a ice and water shield. So down here, it's always good to have an extra layer of underlayment. It's always kind of a better thing. That's what he wants. So we'll come down the sidewalls with it, and the valleys over there, and maybe some around the perimeter. That a lot of the fascia is really bad. So anywhere the fascia is bad previous, we need to just put ice and water shield there. Then we're going to go back with some 1x4s and then lay our metal on top. All right, and that's going to create a watertight, solid roofing system. Right. Obviously, I think me and you are both biased, but if there's somebody here in the Broken Bow, Idabel area that needs roofing work, who should they call? Hostetler Roofing.
Hostetler Roofing. If you don't know the number, it's 870-557-4797. Big shout out to our customers here in the Broken Bow, Idabel area. Guys, we've done so much work here this year, and we have so much work ahead of us. In fact, next week we've got not just these 3 houses, but 8 more houses next week here in the Broken Bow area that we're going to be doing. Guys, you'll see us driving around. Our trucks, they're all branded with our number on the side. So if you need some roofing work done, if you just want a free inspection because you just want to know how your roof is doing, give us a call. We'll send guys out like Michael, do the inspection. We give you a photo report so that you'll have a peace of mind knowing that your roof is in good condition, or at least you'll find out that your roof is maybe not so good a condition, and we can give you a free estimate for the cost of those repairs. Guys, thanks so much.